Go.
Hello, my name is Christian Holzel, and I would like to present you one of my work, and it's called the hiking calendar. Basically, it started 2 years ago. I am a passionate hiker. I like to hike in the mountains, and I was lacking of a place where I could see all the hiking events in the country. I tried to find something. I tried to create a WhatsApp group, and it was just a big mess. And so I thought, why not making a sort of blog with all the hiking events sorted by date? And this all became the hiking calendar. Before entering to the subject, I'd like to talk a little bit about social media. Basically, in social media, we have one unit that is called a post. A post can be recognized by, let's say, 5 features: author, date, picture, title, and text. So this is a post. With these 5 features, you have the information unit that will be used in social media. Inside the text, you can also put a very practical tool called hashtag that allows you to include that post in a certain group of interest. So basically, a post are these 5 different fields, but you could also add some fields that we will call custom fields. For example, if you have a post with a start date, start time, and end date and end time, for example, for an event, you can add these as custom fields. Additionally, if you go to social media add themselves some custom fields like comments, likes, favorites, and such that I will call social tools. The same post can be seen in different ways in, for example, Instagram, Google+, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, or even WhatsApp. Here we see the same post in these different networks. Let's now look at what is the hiking calendar. The hiking calendar is a marketing machine that will handle posts. It will take posts, publish posts, and republish posts on social media. For now, the app has been only developed on browser. That's because of lack of funds, but also we don't want to make it too complicated with having 3 different platforms. So we prefer to have it on one unique platform, that is the web platform. Users can use either Safari, Google Chrome, or Firefox, or any other browser to browse the app. If I see the home page, on the left I can see it on a mobile phone, on the right I can see it on a desktop. The first level, in fact we have 3 levels. The first level is the home page and will list countries. So we have 22 countries. We have 9 subregions. That makes in total 31 pages. Now let's click on one of these countries and we access the second level. Second level is the country page. Inside the country page, again, we have little pictures. These pictures are posts. We see in fact, we don't have regular posts, we have custom posts, and we can see the start date at the top of the post. For example, Friday, November 13th, as in the example. Now, all these posts represent an event, and if I click on one of these events, I access the third level. The third level is the event page itself. I will see the picture, I see the title, I see the booking details that are the start date, start time, and the text. So this is the hiking calendar, a very simple concept, just putting posts together, events together in a chronological order. What are the results we achieved with this proof of concept product? On Google Stats, we have approximately 3,500 users per month, so unique users. The numbers have increased a little bit between the time I made the screenshots and now. These users are essentially accessing the site directly, not through social media, I mean, mostly directly. And we totalize for now approximately 17 to 18,000 page views per month. I would like to emphasize that this growth has been purely organic. We never paid any social media or Google to get users. So this is a pure 100% organic product. For now, we're not against boosting, but we want to have pure numbers to know if our software is working correctly. Concerning the Google ranking, I generally check two kinds of words. I check hiking Lebanon, where we get on number 5 on the Google page, on the Google search, as well as for hiking in Lebanon. As for trekking Lebanon and trekking in Lebanon, we get number 10, but still all on the first page. On social media, we totalize a number of followers. On Instagram, we have 3,000, Facebook approximately also. We did not emphasize Twitter, so we only have 250 followers. Google Plus, we have only 13 followers, but we're on Google Plus essentially in order to improve our Google search ranking, because Google rewards you the fact you're using Google Plus. As well for Google My Business, where we have 200 posts, but we're active in order to satisfy Google and to get in exchange some ranking. On the Pinterest side, we have a lot of viewers, but I don't know if Pinterest is a very interesting social media. I don't have any results of the impact of Pinterest now. We keep on it. I'll explain a little bit later why. So now I would like to approach the technical aspects of this application. So the hiking calendar is what I call a marketing machine. From left to right. From left, we're starting data acquisition by scraping. In fact, we have a software. It's a WordPress plugin. We'll come back on that, which is taking all the new events from Facebook, essentially, but we also could take them from Meetup or Eventbrite. This plugin is scraping it and storing it in the WordPress database, and WordPress will, of course, create the appearance for the website or for the mobile phone. These posts will be then treated by 3 plugins. One is an SEO plugin. It means that will improve the SEOs. I'll explain a little bit later what I mean. We also have a hashtag generator. This hashtag generator is semantically analyzing the content of every post, and according to certain keywords, it will generate hashtags. In fact, it would generate WordPress tags, which will be later converted into social media hashtags. The third treatment, data treatment, is an ad manager. We will insert ads inside the website, but we'll also be able to post ads on the social media. On the right, we have the last function of the website is the auto-posting. So we're auto-posting on 7 social media, and through Open Graph, we're also able to access to our little vignettes or little pictures in Instagram. So basically what the hiking calendar is a scraping machine, treating machine, and auto-posting machine. I'll go down now to a few of the plugins we're using in the hiking calendar. First of all, for scraping, we're using a software made by an Indian company. The software is called, the plugin is called Import Facebook Events. In fact, this plugin will connect directly with the Facebook API and will import a certain number of events we are interested in. The second plugin is the hashtag generator. We're using a plugin that is deprecated now for 5 years. It's a very old thing. It's called Automatic Post Tagger. It's excellent, by the way. It's a very simple and good plugin. And this plugin is in fact recognizing words in the text of every post and generating tags. So for example, if I have the word hiking or randonnée, it will automatically generate the hashtag hiking. If I find the word faraya, the generator will automatically create tags, the hashtags faraya, Kasserine, Lebanon, Middle East, in a hierarchical way. So the next plugin are in fact two plugins for one function, is the SEO. For the SEO, we're using a plugin called Permalink Manager that will in fact just structure our website in order to be search engine friendly. So the homepage is hikcal.com, then we'll have /country, the name of the country, / the name of the country, / the post title. On the other hand, we're using also a plugin called All-in-One SEO Pack that will take care of the search engine indexation, the meta tags, in order to have these nice little business cards appearing in WhatsApp or in the different social media as soon as we type the website or a URL corresponding to the website. The next plugin is the Ads Manager. For that, we're using a plugin called Advanced Ads. In fact, it adds posts in the country list in the first level. Second level, sorry. It adds posts in the event, the third level, inside the event. I can also send some posts on social media. I can create ads rotations. It means that on the same page, I will have 3 different ads, but coming every time I open the page again, I have another ads appearing. And I can also do localization. It means that I will, the software is able to choose an ad corresponding to the GPS localization of the viewer, or the IP localization of the viewer. The next plugin is called Content Views. Content Views is used essentially for the user interface in order to produce these little pictures, but also to filter them by country, sort them by date, remove certain tags, the rejected tags, and insert ads. Quite a good plugin also, while I have a little problems with the user interface yet. It's maybe due to some conflict with other plugins. And last but not least, we have the auto posting plugin that will auto post. That thing can auto post on more than 20 different social media. It's called Social Network Auto Poster, or SNAP. In fact, I can filter my posts by categories and tags. I can transform my WordPress tags into hashtags. I can random post or post everything, and I can simulate human behavior in posting That means that, for example, if I set a time every 2 hours you have to post, it will have a plus minus 30 minutes. And I can also integrate sleep times where the software will not post. So on the social media side, it will look like a human is posting. So when we talk about posters, a lot of people come with a lot of automated posters that we can have on the market, like Hootsuite or Crowdfire, Sprout Social, and so on. So there are a lot of products. So why is that product? What is the difference with these products? Essentially, all the products on the market, these websites do not offer a reference website. It means that I will have to complete my blog myself, and then I have to take the picture, I have to take the text and enter it in the other software that I will have to learn, and so on. So to my opinion, I prefer to have everything under my control in one website and be able to post as much as I want and not being limited by the policies of these websites. So how does the hiking calendar catch its user? Basically, the system is quite easy. It takes 4 steps. Number 1, the user gets followed on social media. In fact, we have some robots running on social medias to collecting new followers. Then the user follows back the social media. Then we post ads for the websites on our social media timelines or walls. And at the end, the user discovers the website and finds it practical, because it definitely is. So what is the purpose of this presentation? During this presentation, I would like to create a team. We're looking for developers, marketers, designers, people who are interested to work with this project. The deal is training and know-how for time and skills. That means that if you have time and skills, we will exchange our training and know-how against your time and skills, and we work purely open source. It means that the result will belong to everybody. So why should you be part of our project? Is take part in an innovative project, become a social media expert. All belongs to you. You can fork anytime. It means all the results we're going to have belong to you as much as to us. So you can start your own business taking the whole concept or part of the concept. It is applicable in numerous industries like fashion, sports, news, political, nightlife, real estate, retail, and much more. So once you work with us, you will have the knowledge, the software in order to implement that with your own client and customers. And if you're successful, you already have your development team, and that's us. So we encourage you to fork and make your own business. No one of us knows which market will reveal the best. So if you're successful, we are with you. We are already trained. We know the subject. So let's go, share everything, and try to see who will be successful among us. Basically, thank you very much for listening, and hope to hear from you soon. Type www.hikcal.com and just leave us a note. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.